Today I'm at Hyfore in Coventry. I'm with Geo. Now, if you don't know Hyfore, they are specialists in supplying bespoke fixturing solutions, a great engineering company, but they also sell off-the-shelf items for work holding and other machine tool accessories, of which there's 3 I'm going to talk to you about today, which are available here from stock and on special offer. Now, the first one is a Ucam 5th axis table. This can be retrofitted to pretty much any machine tool and any control. Now, this unit normally retails at around about £30,000, available with a whopping 50% discount. Yes, you heard it right, 15k for this 5th axis unit. The second of which is a Midaco pallet changer. Now, I've seen these, and so has Geo, in lots of companies around the country where they want to improve the efficiency of their vertical machining centre. They don't want to buy another spindle, they want to get more out of the spindle that they've got. This will do exactly that, and again, that is available for sale here with a terrific discount. You need to talk to Hyfore about that in more detail and the machines that it can be fitted to. Third of which is Geo's favourite, and we're talking here about vices. Now, we're talking about the Matrix vice system here. This is an incredibly flexible and versatile method of work holding. In fact, very, very unique. It looks, well, it is, I can tell you, it's a very, very powerful method of clamping irregular shaped parts as well as prismatic components. It's got a lot of power, it's very, very versatile and very, very flexible. And here they have the units in stock of various sizes, perfect for your vertical or horizontal machining centre. Visit hyfore.com or hyfore.shop to find out more about these special offers. This business really is a truly British engineering company, and it's great to see these off-the-shelf items for sale, but it's also great to visit here to see the guys actually creating some fantastic bespoke fixturing solutions.